On horizontal curved road, in order to ensure the safety of vehicle on horizontal curved road, the required centripetal force is provided by force of friction between the tires and the road surface. But as we know that friction is a self-adjusting, it depends on nature of surfaces in contact between the road and the tires. In rainy days, the roads becomes more slippery, friction decreases. If the road surface is made more rough, in order to have more friction, the rough road surfaces causes wear and tear of the tires. And because of that, the dependence of friction to provide centripetal force is avoided by making the spatial arrangements of the road, and this arrangement is the banking of roads. In this video lecture, we are going to see what do you mean by the banking of roads and what is the speed at which vehicle is safe on a banked road. For that, let us consider what do you mean by the banking of roads. To ensure the safety of fast moving vehicle at the curves, road surface is inclined to the horizontal. This is the curved road. This is the curved road we are having. To ensure the safety of fast moving vehicle on a curved road, road surface is inclined to the horizontal by making suitable angle theta, so that its outer edge is raised above the inner edge with a suitable angle theta. This arrangement of a road is called as banking of roads. The angle at which road surface is inclined to the horizontal is called as the angle of banking. This is the inner edge of the road and this is the outer edge of the road, and somewhere here we get the center of curvature of the road. Let us consider this is in a cross section of the road and cross section, vertical cross section of a vehicle. Now, this is the center of mass from where, or center of gravity from where the total weight of the vehicle acts. The various forces acting on a vehicle which is moving on a banked road are: number one, weight mg of the vehicle which acts vertically downward, and other is the normal reaction exerted by the road surface perpendicular to the road surface AB, N. The vehicle is in vertical equilibrium. Neither vertically it moves up nor vertically it moves down. Therefore, it's in a vertical equilibrium, and the vehicle is moving on a curved path. Therefore, there must be someone which horizontally provides the necessary centripetal force. For vertical equilibrium, the component of normal reaction n cos theta balances the weight of the vehicle. Therefore, n cos theta is equal to weight. This is number one. only the horizontal force which is able to provide the centripetal force is the n sin theta, and n sin theta provides necessary centripetal force for the circular motion of the vehicle. With these two, I will write here, dividing 2 by 1 here, we get tan theta is equal to v square divided by rg, or v square is equal to rg tan theta, and hence tan theta is equal to v square divided by rg. This is the suitable angle of banking. This is suitable angle of banking at which vehicle is safe with a speed v for a banked road of radius of curvature r. And the optimum speed, the safety speed limit of the vehicle is under root of rg tan theta. This is the speed at which vehicle is safe on a banked road. This is the speed at which vehicle is safe on banked road. For the speeds more than this safety speed limit and for the speed less than this safety speed limit, there is the role of friction which is able to give the maximum and minimum speed limit within which the vehicle is safe considering the friction, but within that maximum and minimum speed, this is the speed at which the dependence of friction is overcome in order to provide the centripetal force, and the vehicle is moving safely with required centripetal force given by component of normal reaction, that is n sin theta.